What's up, party people? Android Stud here. Now I want to show you how you can disable Bixby. I was just having some fun with the Bixby there. Now it's on your power button, so if you want to disable it, what you simply got to do is go into, see, if you hard press your power button, you don't get a power menu, you just get the Bixby button. Now how do you disable Bixby and all its routines and all that good stuff? You simply go into settings, and then we're going to go into advanced features right there. And then you get the Bixby routines here. You could simply turn that off right there. Also on your side key, you could reprogram it. You see there, if you double press Bixby, you get the Bixby, okay? So now if you go back into settings, you could change that. If you go into advanced features, side key, and double press, you simply can do open an app or quick launch camera. Now what I did is I set it to Google, but you could set it to a bunch of different things if you want. You could set it to maps. So let's go to maps here. Where's maps at? Maps is M, right? If I remember, yeah. So we're gonna set it to maps, okay? And then if you want to change the press and hold of the power button, you simply select press and hold. So now when you press and hold, you get your power button. And your Bixby is disabled, because if you double press, voila. Sorry about that. I think I just pressed instead of, if you double press, you get maps. That's it. It's as simple as that. You go into settings, advanced features, and you can turn off Bixby and you are good to go. That's gonna do it, man. Thanks so much for watching. I wanted to do a quick video on how to disable Bixby and also remap your power button, which is very simple to do. Very, very easy. You just turn off Bixby routines, and then you can select any app from the double press, and the press and hold, you can change it to the power button. That's gonna do it, man. I'm Android Stud. Thanks so much for watching. Peace, party people.